Most students pick their essay topics like they pick their Netflix shows, fast, random, and without much thought. Today, I'm using ChatGPT Study and Learn mode to brainstorm an essay topic step by step to show you how it forces real thinking without just handing you an idea. To show you how this works, I set up a prompt in ChatGPT Study and Learn mode and let it guide the process. On screen, you can see how it moves from broad, easy questions to more specific ones, filtering ideas step by step. The real value here isn't the list of questions, it's the way the tool keeps the students thinking and making choices before any topics are suggested. In just a few minutes, we went from a vague starting point to a clear, specific direction, comparing how university and trade school could shape a student's studies. The key here is that the topic emerged from the student's own decisions. ChatGPT just provided the structure to get there. Study and Learn works because it slows students down. It makes them justify their choices before they start writing, which means stronger essays, fewer rewrites, and far less, "I didn't know what to write about." If you liked how Study and Learn slows students down to think, wait till you see what Google Gemini's guided learning can do. In the next video, I'll walk you through step by step so you can decide whether to add it to your teacher toolkit.